Yeah, wherever I am and whatever I'm doing, whether it be in a luxury hotel in Chicago or wherever I am in my little house conversion, I'll be there in a minute. Or in Illinois, I'm in Chicago. I had to spend a little time with my daughter, but I'm in a hotel. Yeah. This is a present from my kids. They spoil Granny. Spoil me. And it's all to the old lady selves. Yeah, I have sweet kids. And I'm inverted, so you know I like stuff like this. Nice little hotel time. Yeah. But be consistent with your videos no matter where you're at, what you're doing. Pick up your camera and take a video. If you're over 40 especially, now's the time. Everybody needs you. They do. It might take a while. It took me 3 years to get here, but my numbers are rising. And I'm very happy to see all y'all. And I just want to say thank you. Because I wouldn't be able to do all this without YouTube. YouTube has done nothing but inspire me. And I like to spoil myself. Yes. People are very hungry when they're starting out. They're climbing them out. They're very thirsty and they're very hungry. Just like we are. When we start, we're thirsty and we're hungry. When you get to the top of the mountain, you leave paths for others to follow. That's why I have a YouTube channel. I manifest. I learned how to do it from being a mother and living life on life's terms. People, places, and things. You have to be careful about people, places, and things. You have to go for positive. Let those low vibing, mean old folks, just let them go and keep going forward. Chug-a-lug-a-lug-a-lug. Like a locomotive. I like trains. And I like mystery and lore. And I like positiveness. And I like, letting y'all know that you shine. That you have an inner power within you. That you don't have to look everywhere for that goodness. Because you shine. You're a star. You are. Tell everyone the old head told you that, old hippie woman that believes in love, peace, and harmony. And with that, I'm gonna boom, I'm gonna crash out. After I'm done with my session, of course, with the view. I closed the windows because there was a lot of lights out there, too many Chicago lights and high rises, and you can see in all the windows. Yeah, it might be a long way, but I don't want no one to see me. So I closed it because I could see across and see in someone's room. You don't want to know what I saw. I closed my window. I see something I shouldn't have seen. And I'm not going to tell you. Shh, it's a secret. It scared me, though. Ooh, it was some lusty stuff, y'all. Shh, you could hear through these walls. That's why I don't, be too quiet. I turn the TV up, but not while I'm talking to y'all. But I gotta go now. I'm gonna watch my favorite subs. Yup, I'm gonna watch Creating Change and Creating Explicit and Baby and Me, Tiny House on Wheels, and Simply Tippy. I'm gonna watch a whole lot of people. Benjamin, living his best life with his black pearl. Yeah, and then even look for Red Man Van. He's out there. He speaks to me. Hello. I see y'all on the videos. And Sunny Side Up. She's real cool. I love her body. Go check her channel out. I love you guys. Toodaloo.